It's a great day. 23 years ago we got married.
You did remember.
Last year we didn't remember at
Neither
all.
one of us did, yeah. Yeah.
I don't even know how.
I don't know.
I don't know what frame of mind we were in, or what we were thinking, or what we were doing, but we totally forgot.
Yeah.
The problem was that we weren't thinking.
We weren't thinking.
But until Grandma reminded us.
Was it Grandma or Mom?
Yeah, that was Grandma.
Oh, and I'm sorry I missed your anniversary.
We're like, oh,
Our anniversary?
Yeah.
We didn't have an anniversary. Oh shit, we did.
Yeah.
Of course, that's when Mom started going, you forgot your own anniversary. Both of you forgot? Yeah, we both forgot.
Yeah, we both forgot. Because every day is an anniversary to you.
Right.
Did a costume change real quick. Yeah, it's magic of video editing. But we went into not Sutherland's, we went into Waters True Value.
It's not water. It's water. It's Waters Hardware now.
Waters Hardware, my bad. Anyway, one of the projects we got going on is we had some parts that we needed to get
For our sprinkler system.
for the sprinkler system so we can get it back up and operational. So we finally found those parts. And so that project will get underway. And now we're on our way to... You want to do Sutherland's or you want to go get barbecue?
I say we go get barbecue.
And where you want to go home and eat? Or just get the barbecue and then go to Sutherland's?
Let's just go to Sutherland's because we're over here, and then when we're done with Sutherland's, we'll just swing by. Hopefully
Yeah.
they won't run out.
I'm not too worried about Harbor Freight. I don't want to go there.
Well, you want to just drive by and see if they're open?
Yeah, we can go. I can go there tomorrow or something. But anyway, all right, here we go. On our way to get Mama Bear some flowers to murder. I mean, sorry, flowers to plant. Sorry. Mama Bear doesn't murder plants. I mean, to you. You ought to see what you do to these plants.
I do. I'm terrible to plants. I don't even know why I bother.
I don't know.
They look pretty for about a month.
Does it look like they're open? Oh, they are definitely open.
Now open!
Oh, I'm gonna go broke so fast.
It is, well, it's a good and a bad thing because that place generally has the stuff that we need when we need it.
Yeah. All right, so now we got Mama Bear her victims. I mean flowers. and now we're gonna go.
I got plants too that won't die because there's a sprinkler that pops up right there on that.
Okay.
What's that called? What's that?
I don't know what you're talking
In
about.
front of the basement windows.
Flower bed.
In that flower bed, a sprinkler pops up and sprays that whole thing, so I won't kill those plants. I may kill the flowers.
Okay. Oh. We'll keep you informed.
Papa Bear was insistent on getting these purple flowers, so we'll show you later.
Only because I could tell Mama Bear wanted them.
Really? You were pretty insistent on getting those.
That's because it's because that's the first thing you said when we walked in. Ooh, the purple flowers? Purple flowers?
I think the purple flowers would look good.
See, purple flowers.
Well, our house is like a what? A gray?
It's a grayish beige. Yeah.
So any vibrant color, really.
Pop, pop, pop.
And we got some really pretty red geraniums that'll look with some bright yellow marigolds.
Well, and now we're going to go to T-Ray's. So now we got Mama Bear's barbecue.
Mama Bear happy.
And it smells so good.
Look good.
I'm ready to devour it.
I heard that when Daggermouth eats you, he devours your guts first.
Anyway,
Starving. All of a sudden, I'm like, oh, I'm starving.
So now we head home.
And I don't. They can't see, but there's a freaking. Like, we got there and there were how many people waiting? 4?
4 in front of us.
4 in front of us, and we showed up, and there's literally a line of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people waiting behind us.
All right, we got the plants laid out where we want them. We dug their graves, and we put them in it. Sorry, babe. And now we're going to go to the new Harbor Freight to get some heat sink so I can do some rewiring on the motorcycle. So, see you after that. Okay, so now, got the license plate. We're going to go ahead and install, the first thing we're going to install is the license plate mount, the LED lights that go with it, and the bolts. And then we're going to mount the new, the new 360 handlebar mount. It's a lot more sturdy than the one I have, so we're going to get that started. Let's see, we got a 10 millimeter here for this.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Done. Yep, here comes Luna to say hi. Anytime I'm working in the garage, you can almost count 100% she's going to come out and say hi. Ain't that right, Luna? I know. Where you at? Oh, you're over there by the truck. All right. I think we're good on that. Okay, so the plan has changed. I drilled these 2 holes out a little wider. Use these black washers, and I'm gonna mount both nuts here, or both LED lights here, and then I'll mount the main component holding it on here, and we'll get to that, and then I'll show you when I'm done. All right, we're back again. All right, so I got the mounting bracket for the license plate installed. Had to do a little modifications. Got the LED lights installed, and it all works. Can you believe it? Here, I'll show you. All right, here we go. See, the 2 LED lights work. Everything works great. I did a thing. Okay, and then, of course, you don't really need to see me install this. There's nothing much to it, but I purchased the this new mount for my 360 camera, and this thing is way sturdier than the one I had. I mean, this thing is solid. I love it. That's Mwah, perfect. So today I'm going to attempt to install the foot pegs, and then I think that's pretty much all I'm going to attempt to do today. Changing out the foot pegs. I've never done this before, but we're going to figure it out. Doesn't look too hard, so we'll give it a go. And see, the first thing I gotta do is take out this pin. Or maybe it's the other one.
You had one simple mission. You completely failed.
Maybe this is just gonna have to be
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a streak who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost.
Alright, so the pegs were a bust. Oh, what can I tell you? I don't think they were the right ones. Even though it said it was compatible, the spring system on it isn't the same. You can't use the old springs with the new pegs, and the new springs don't fit. They don't line up properly. So I think I'll just go ahead and order the original parts. Yeah, from Yamaha, or probably from Revzilla or something like that. But they're available. There's, I think, for the set it's like $70 some. So I'll just order those, get those put on so I can get these things replaced. And then in the next video, Daisy and I are going to be making a lot of trips. We have, I think, 11 bikes to go look at. I took vacation so we could travel across 3 states to see these 11 bikes. Anyway, we'll travel around and we'll take a look at those, and we'll see if we can't find one that we can come to an agreement on, and then that'll be our new bike. Okay, so what that'll allow me to do is once I get the new bike and Daisy and I can ride that around, that would allow me to finally take Tank and really dive deep and get him changed to the way he needs to be. So yeah, so that's the plan now. Like I said, got a year and a half, maybe, well, a little less now, but got a year and plus to get all this done. So I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, so like I said, next video will be it'll be us going and checking these bikes out, and when we reach a decision on which one we'll bring home, I will do an unveiling, and then we will have some really good videos coming your way. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe down below. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new content, and share. So yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks.